In this video, we're going to see how to make viral product videos with AI, just like these.
Your wardrobe feeling totally uninspired? I did too, until I found Dress Delights.
Why should every gamer consider TechieArc's Lightspeed wireless gaming mouse?
You guys won't believe how much my gaming setup has leveled up with the TechieArc wired RGB gaming keyboard.
You've probably seen product videos like this on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. But did you know that you can create videos like these without even having the product on hand? Yes, you don't even need a model or a camera. You can create product videos entirely using AI, which will help you attract more customers and boost your sales. After watching this video, you'll be able to create professional, eye-catching product videos that can go viral and bring in more customers. I'm going to show you everything step by step so you can easily follow along. Keep in mind that with the free plan, there are some limitations, such as a watermark, which we'll discuss at the end of this video. But for now, let's get started. To create a product video with AI, we're going to follow 3 simple steps. The first step is to click the link in the description, which will take you to this page. You can sign up through that link. Once logged in, you'll see an interface where you can upload your video and the tool will edit it for you. It uses AI-generated scripts and avatars. AI avatars mean you can even use an AI-generated character, like a female content creator. These avatars are created using GPT-4 technology, which produces realistic avatars. I'll show you how this works. The second step is to create the video. Start by clicking Create Videos with AI. And then enter the details about your product. You can do this by either entering the product details manually or by pasting the product link from the website where you've listed it. I prefer pasting the link, so let's go to the product page. Copy the link. Come back to Top View AI, paste it here, and now click Analyze Link. The details below will start getting analyzed and everything will begin filling up. Now you can see, these are the materials that TopView collected from different video reviews from Amazon. You can also use these videos to create an attractive ad. Now I can choose some of the videos, and you can check the estimated processing time, which is 12 minutes. Click on Continue. Now you can see the description of the video. You can change it as well, but you don't need to change it because TopView has the ability to write the best description according to the product type. That's why I'm not going to change it. Next, we have the video ratio, which is 9:16. You can select languages like English, Czech, Dutch, Filipino, and more. We'll stick with English for now. Auto select is enabled by default, and you can choose the voice as well. One of the best features of this platform is the avatars. These avatars are characters, and I'm going to show you how mind-blowing they are. For example, I'm selecting this avatar, which is Nina in the car. After confirming, click on Generate, and you'll see that AI processing has started. The AI is handling everything, and once the video is generated, you'll be amazed by the results. Wait a few seconds to complete the process. Here it is. Now I will show you how to play that video.
So, I recently got this amazing laptop tote bag. The material is super durable and water resistant. It holds my 15.6-inch laptop and all my essentials. The soft foam pad keeps everything secure, which is a game changer. This bag is lightweight and so stylish. I can carry it to work or when I am just hanging out. Whether it's meetings, shopping, or daily use, it totally fits. I even pair it with my high heels or my flats. And get this, there's a 1-year quality protection guarantee. This would be such an awesome gift for any woman. Honestly, I didn't know how much I needed this bag in my life. So what are you waiting for? Level up your bag game now.
How crazy is that? See how amazingly this ad will perform. If you want to change the voice, simply click on the voice button. If you found any mistake in lip syncing, don't worry. After exporting the video, it will automatically correct the lip syncing. Here is the final result after exporting.
So, I recently got this amazing laptop tote bag. The material is super durable and water resistant. It holds my 15.6-inch laptop and all my essentials. The soft foam pad keeps everything secure, which is a game changer. This bag is lightweight and so stylish. I can carry it to work or when I am just hanging out. Whether it's meetings, shopping, or daily use, it totally fits. I even pair it with my high heels or my flats. And get this, there's a 1-year quality protection guarantee. This would be such an awesome gift for any woman. Honestly, I didn't know how much I needed this bag in my life. So what are you waiting for? Level up your bag game now.
You'll be surprised at how accurate and efficient this tool is. It's especially useful for people doing dropshipping or e-commerce who don't want to hire UGC creators. You can easily use TopView AI to create high-quality videos that can help scale your business. The platform offers various hooks like combined with lifestyle, which helps generate more views. For example, it might generate an engaging first sentence to attract interest.
This laptop tote bag is not just a bag, it's a vibe. Crafted from durable, water-resistant material, it's built to last. No scratches allowed, thanks. Introducing the laptop tote bag, the future of work.
This tool is incredible. It uses different techniques to create engaging ads, and it's truly a game changer. If you use TopView AI, you can create amazing ads that will help you grow your business. If you like this tool, check out the description for more details. Let's check the plan they offer. There are 4 plans: free, starter, business, and enterprise. And you will get these features in the given plans. So select the one according to your need. Also, if you want more AI-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.